Let me show you how to enable and use Gemini Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. So first you simply want to swipe down on your watch and click the settings icon here. Then navigate down here in the Google. Click on that, Digital Assistant, and you want to enable it here. So you can pull it up by saying this phrase and also press and hold. So yeah, once you have this enabled, also if you press and hold this button, if it doesn't turn on, you can go in the buttons and gestures, so long press, and you see you can switch the assistants here. So you want to click over here. Okay, I think that's about it. Yeah, you want to make sure you have this good digital assistant enabled here for it. And then if you click and hold, find for me the most delicious recipe for a banana cake.
Combine 3 mashed ripe bananas, 1/2 cup softened butter, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs.
So as you see how absolutely awesome this is. So you can literally hold it and also do some things. So for example, turn on flashlight. Yeah. Start the stopwatch. As you see, you can literally ask it pretty much anything. Also, you can simply say, "Hey Google, start the stopwatch." Yeah, so you see, you can simply say that phrase, "Hey Google," and it will also start to work. Okay, if you like.